to do like this. I will do 2, 1, 3, 2. I'll use it to multiply AB. Do you understand? This is going to give
Yes, sir.
me 2 multiplied by A. This is letter A. 2 multiplied by A will give me 2A plus, please follow me attentively. Let me remove this A and put it well. This is letter A. Letter A is here. All right. Now, 1 multiplied by B will give me B. So I have used row 1 to multiply column 1. The next thing I will do, I will move down because this is only 1 column in the second one. I go to the second row.
Yes.
3 multiplied by A will give me 3A. And then plus again. 2 multiplied by B will give me 2B. And they said that the whole of this is equal to what? 5, 8. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I'm going to do next is I'll write for you a simultaneous equation that 2A plus B will now be equal to 5. That means the first line, this one.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you
I
now?
understand it now.
I will do it again.
Yes, sir.
3A plus 2B will be equal to 8.
Equal
Can't
to
you?
8.
Can't
Then
you
you
see now?
know,
I can now have
that correct like
simultaneous
10.
equation. No. We do elimination method. This is equation 1. I am going to multiply
Yes.
equation
Elimination
1
method.
by 2. Do you get me? I'll multiply equation 2
Yes,
by
sir.
1. See what will happen. 2 multiply here will give me 4A plus 2B equal to 10. I multiply by 1.
Ah,
3A,
is that not 3A?
where?
That's 3A now.
Where now?
Say two, how did you get 4A?
4A. Okay, 3A, 3A. No. I'm taking the first one now. See the first one. I
Uh-huh.
multiply the first one, 2A plus B equal to 5. I multiply it by 2.
Okay.
Then second one, I multiply it by 1. That is 3A plus 2B equal to 8. Can you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
So I multiply the equation 1 by 2. And that equation 1 is 2A plus 2B equal to 5. That is how I got 4A. Now, we now can subtract. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So subtracting 4A minus 3A will give me A.
A.
2B minus 2B will give me 0. 10 minus 8 will give me 2. So can't you see that I have found the value of A to be equal to 2? First answer.
Yes, sir.
You can now put it inside equation 2 or equation 1 if you like and get
Yes,
the
sir.
second one. So from equation 1, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Which says what? 2A plus B is equal to what? 5. Anywhere that is A, I put 2. So that is 2 times 2 plus B equal to 5. So what will I get now? I will now get 4
1.
plus B
B
is
equal to
equal
5.
to 5, making B to be equal to what? 1.
1.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So B now is equal to 5 subtract 4, making B equal to 1. So in conclusion, our answers now will be
2
A
and 1.
equal to 2 and B equal to 1.
1.
If you go back and plug it into the main equation, look at the main question here. Okay? If you plug it here now, you see that when you make A here now to be 2 and make B here 1, if you multiply the 2, you will get this answer. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you can now do number 6, 7, 8. I hope that
But
makes.
I want to copy it now. Let me copy it.
Okay, yes, that's fine.